everyone, Jeannie here, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to another How You Can Save Money. So today's store that I'm going to be talking about is the Children's Place. So I love shopping the Children's Place for my 5-year-old, my 3-year-old, and even my 15-month-old. So I really have enjoyed shopping at the Children's Place. So I want to share with you guys some of my best money-saving tips and how you can stretch your dollar at the Children's Place. So first and foremost, what you want to do is sign up for the Children's Place Rewards program. So all you need to do is submit your email. So you're going to earn a point per dollar that you spend, and once you get to 100 reward points, you're going to get $5. So it's a coupon that's going to be emailed to you. So first off, you want to make sure you are signed up for their rewards program. Second, you want to make sure that you're shopping during their Children's Place cash event. So a lot of times they'll do a promo where if you spend $20, you'll get $10 back in Children's Place cash. So just make sure you're looking out for those emails. When you sign up for the rewards program, then you're going to be getting those notifications in your email of when the Children's Place cash is going to be starting. So you can also sign up for the Children's Place credit card. When you sign up for the credit card, you actually earn more reward points, and you're going to save 30% off of your entire purchase. And then also your kids are entered into the birthday club and they receive a coupon for their birthday as well. So what's also great is you can earn the Children's Place cash even in their clearance section. So they will have clearance all year round, anywhere between 50 to even up to 80% off. So definitely check your clearance racks. So I'm actually going to go through a little haul with you guys at the end to share with you guys how you really can stretch your dollar. Another hack you guys can do is you could buy everything in the clearance section to earn that Children's Place cash, and maybe your child has something they've been eyeing specifically for the Christmas time or holiday time or birthday. Maybe it's a special dress or a special shirt, and it's going to be full price. One thing that you can do is you can knock off some other people on your holiday list and shop the clearance racks, earn your Children's Place cash, and then you can use that cash to get a regular price item for less. So another way that you can save big at the Children's Place is using cashback sites. So you can use Topcash.com. You can also use Rakuten. A lot of times they will do cashback for the Children's Place, especially during like holiday weekend. So if you're not signed up for any one of those cashback shopping sites, I will definitely have a link for you guys in the description box for you guys to go ahead and check out. So something else you want to look out for is gift card promotions. So I've seen in Walgreens, CVS, and also Rite Aid, they will do a Children's Place gift card every now and then. So a lot of times it'll be spend $50 and get a $10 extra care back to CVS. So whenever you see those promos and you know that you're going to be shopping for the Children's Place, I definitely encourage you guys to take advantage of those deals. I'm not a fan of Raise.com because I know you can get discounted gift cards, but I feel like the risk isn't worth it. If you buy a gift card from someone and then you get it sent to you and then the amount isn't what it was advertised, and you have to deal with the return and everything like that. Like, I just don't deal with those online gift card sites to get discounted gift cards, but that's just my opinion. So I always look out for those promos that CVS runs and some of the other drugstores. So another thing you can do is sign up for the Children's Place emails. I actually have a link below if you guys want to go ahead and just sign up. And if you sign up for the email, you're going to get a $10 off a $40 purchase in store or online. So that's a nice way to save $10 when you sign up for their email list. You can also do price adjustments up to 7 days. And I will say that I am a big fan of their customer service. So my daughter Scarlett, she actually got a backpack from them and the little handle had broken off like the first week of school. So I had called customer service, and for my inconvenience, they gave me a $20 reward coupon. On top of that, they even offered to let me take the backpack back to the store, even though it was purchased like months ahead of time. And then they gave me a gift card for the value of what we paid for it. So I actually flipped that gift card, and I want to share with you guys everything that I picked up for our holiday shopping. So the first thing that I found in their clearance section was this little tank top. So sometimes they'll have like additional percentage off in their clearance section. So this time around it was 50% off of their clearance. So I picked up this little tank. And then I also picked up this little skirt, which I thought was super cute. And then they also had a promo going on with leggings. So the leggings were $10 a piece. So normally they are $12.95. So I picked up 2 little pairs of leggings. And then I also picked up some toddler items in the sale section as well. So I picked up this little tee. It says "Styled by Mom." And I also picked up this cute little dress, like skater dress. It was in the sale section as well. So my total came out to, let's see, the sale section was 50% off. So my total, I was able to use 2 $10 Children's Place cash. So I took a total of $20 off. And then I had a gift card that I got from the merchandise credit when I had to return the backpack. So I ended up paying 43 cents for everything. So if I didn't have the gift card, the $30 gift card, then I would have paid $43 for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces of clothing. So you can't beat that. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, especially with coming into the holiday season. I want to give you guys a library of different stores and some tips and tricks on how you can save throughout the holiday shopping. So there's a playlist linked below for holiday shopping. So definitely go and check out that playlist and look at some of the other stores that I have covered. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Share this video with anyone who is maybe on a budget this holiday season and needs a little bit more savings tips. So I will talk to you guys all later.